I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today I've got a super easy scrap project for you. Let's check it out. Alright, I have a Texas crudely drawn out, and the reason I have that there is just so I can see what size boards I need where, because if I just lay them all out randomly without a drawing on there, I think I'm gonna get confused. I'm gonna put glue on the pieces themselves, just because if I cover this whole thing in glue, I'm afraid I won't be able to see my Texas. And
Japanese handshake, Japanese handshake, Japanese handshake.
Abstract art Texas. Something similar to this a while back on my channel, and it was just an arrowhead, so it wasn't that exciting, and a really good friend asked me to make this for him, so this will be going to him. It's only here temporarily. If you like this project and enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. They say that helps with that sacred YouTube algorithm. Be sure and subscribe to this channel too, because I have brand new woodworking projects like this every single Friday. Every Wednesday I have a follow-up to those projects. Click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll see you next time.